Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Karen Villegas, your Central Florida realtor. And today I'm bringing you to this amazing opportunity right here located in the heart of Maitland with access to walking distance to your local parks, close to downtown Winter Park, close to downtown Orlando. You're also close to Lake Lily Park and all local cafes, restaurants, less than 10 minutes away. You are also have quick access to I-4, 414, 436, making it very convenient to go anywhere in Orlando. Now, the good thing is you're also located in top-rated schools, so shopping centers, everything is essential here just around the corner. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful, charming home with a screened-in pool, tucked in this beautiful, peaceful, established neighborhood with no HOA, less than $600,000. And this property features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's roughly 1,700 square feet and of living space, and it sits in around 0.27 acres. Very nice lot, especially because it has a nice screened-in pool. Now, you also have a brand new roof, completely updated inside the house. So it's very nice, very beautiful property. All right, if you want more details and you want to schedule a private showing, reach out to the number below and I will love to help you make this your new home. So follow me and let's go and check this one out. All right, guys, thank you for watching and sticking to the end of this video. So you know, this property had a price reduction, and you could get this property with a private pool for $550,000. Now, again, this is all negotiable, so give me a call to the number below, and we could get you a very great deal with this property if it's something that you liked. All right, thank you. See you again.